A step-by-step guide to the home building process. Building a home is a significant undertaking that requires careful planning, coordination, and execution. Whether you are a first-time homeowner or looking to customize your dream house, understanding the step-by-step home building process is crucial. This guide outlines the key points and steps involved in constructing a new home. 8. Budgeting and financing. Determine your budget for the entire project, including land acquisition, construction costs, permits, and contingencies. Secure financing through a mortgage lender or other funding sources. Though selecting a location, choose a suitable plot of land based on factors like location, neighborhood, accessibility, and amenities. Ensure the land meets zoning and building requirements. Theme: Design and planning. Collaborate with architects and designers to create a detailed house plan that aligns with your preferences, needs, and budget. The design phase includes layout, room sizes, materials, and exterior aesthetics. 4. Obtaining permits. Acquire necessary permits and approvals from local authorities before construction begins. This includes building permits, environmental clearances, and any other legal requirements. 5. Site preparation. Clear the land, level it, and prepare the foundation site. Excavation and grading are crucial to ensure a solid foundation for the house. 6. Foundation construction. Build the foundation according to the architectural plans. Common foundation types include slab on grade, crawl space, and full basement. The foundation provides stability and support for the entire structure. 7. Framing and structural work. Erect the structural framework of the house, including walls, roof trusses, and floor systems. This phase shapes the basic structure and defines the layout of rooms. 8. Plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. Install essential systems such as plumbing, electrical wiring, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. These systems are vital for functionality and comfort. 9. Interior and exterior finishes. Apply insulation, drywall, and exterior sheathing. Install windows, doors, roofing, siding, and other exterior finishes. Inside, complete interior finishes including flooring, cabinetry, painting, and fixtures. Thus, final inspections and occupancy. Undergo thorough inspections to ensure compliance with building codes and standards. Once inspections pass, you can move into your new home. In conclusion, building a home involves a series of well-coordinated steps that transform your vision into a tangible reality. A well-planned budget, careful selection of land, thoughtful design, adherence to regulations, skilled construction, and attention to detail are all essential components of the home building process. By following these steps and working with a team of professionals, you can successfully navigate the journey of constructing your dream home. Remember that patience and effective communication are key throughout the process to ensure that your new home aligns with your expectations and requirements.